fully grown Rocky Mountain elk can weigh between 6 and 800 pounds and stand 5 feet tall at the shoulder. A majority of the elk in Washington state today are the descendants of elk herds from Yellowstone National Park that were relocated in the early 1900s. As spring arrives, the elk migrate to higher elevations to graze, like here in the lush Snoqualmie Valley. For the Snoqualmie people, who have lived in this valley for thousands of years, the Falls is considered the place where the first human beings were created.